Now, Zhejiang DILONG New Material Company Limited, as one of the biggest decorative paper company, we have several production departments in Lin'an headquarters, and this factory was established in 2006, covers an area of 166 acres with a plant area of 100,000 square meters and 850 employees. And in 2014, DILONG became the top 100 welfare company and also a high-tech company. That is because until now we have 20 national invention patents and 50 utility mode patents. That means DILONG always focuses on the invention and innovation. Besides, DILONG also leads the standard of this industry. We have drafted some industry standards with government and other factories, and actually our standard is higher than national standards because we dedicated on better qualities. Hello, welcome to DILONG. Our company was established in 2001. It first called Zhejiang Wanli Industry Company Limited, and then we began to produce decorative paper products. And in 2003, we added our impregnation production lines and provide supporting service to decorative paper. And later in 2004, we became the biggest decorative manufacturer domestically. And later in 2008, our company was listed in Shenzhen Stock Exchange and became our first listed company in this industry. And later in 2009, we began to have our sub-companies like Chengdu DILONG, Linyi DILONG, and Langfang DILONG, as well as Haining DILONG. Here I want to introduce Haining DILONG industry because it is especially in making PVC furniture and flooring films. And in 2013, we have invented a new material called ice-fire board, which is totally invented by ourselves. And then later, in 2014, DILONG trademark became the national famous trademark in China, which is really fabulous because it is only Chinese famous trademark in this industry. And later, in 2017 and 2018, we introduced our TOP and Top and Fancy series to our customer because these two series are our best decorative productions. Here we can see our PVC flooring and furniture films. This is a new kind of material that really friendly, that environmentally friendly. And this is the ice-fire board. It is invented by ourselves, and it is widely used in hospital, in underground train and house, and as well as hotels. This is a melamine decorative paper. We have melamine decorative papers and melamine impregnation papers. Here we can see we are producing a forest every day. Actually, a customer from Iran said we are saving a forest every day. I think this is a better description for us. Okay, this is our showroom. Please look at it with me together. Here are some designs which we have designed from 2010. We have almost 5,000 designs in total. And we have taken designs for about 20 years in this industry. We have many different kinds of woods like oak, cherry, walnut, and hickory. Let's see this kind of design. This is a flooring design, an oak design. We have 3 colors of the same design. You can see this is the same color, this is a different color of the same design. Here we have 3 colors, this one, and this one. So actually you can find most designs in DILONG because we have large quantity of designs in our showroom. Hello, please follow me to look at our TOP series. TOP series is our best quality product, and we produce the TOP series paper with our best machines and our best skilled workers. Here are some flooring samples. This is an oak design. The water, we call it the water castle oak. The water castle in Vietnam is a very ancient building with ancient manner. A city wall, tower, pole, and pyramid, and a wood building. Everything in the castle is so simple and ritual. You can see this oak is very ancient and well designed. And this design is very popular in domestic markets. Chinese people like this kind of exquisite and fine designs, which always applied in their own homes. And this is a walnut design. This design have a lot of tree knots and always have gives a feeling of time, a passing of time. This design is called Fantastic Lamp Knock. It is a split joint design, which you can see there are a lot of textures that we can touch because it is a synchro design. The TOP series has a synchro steel plate which can touch the texture on it. And for this oak design, we call it Firestone oak because it is very colorful, and we sell it very well in Middle East market. We can see there are a lot of tree knots, and this is the first design in TOP series. We call it a Valley Oak, because this is the first product in TOP series. So we call it because we want to in memory of the TOP series. Here we can see clearly about the synchro texture. We can touch from that thing. It is a very personalized design. We can see there are a lot of split joints, and we join together for some personalized floorings. Okay, let me show you our fancy series. Our fancy series is using German ink and King Decker's paper. And they are very quality materials that we are using now. And please see these designs. This is a walnut design. We have 4 colors in the same design. You can see from that. And here is a fishbone design. fishbone oak, fish shadow oak. We also have 3 designs here. So they're in different colors. And here is a normal series of oak, also in 7 series. They are called shade of oak. Okay, please follow me to look at our PVC film products. Here are some films hanging on the wall. This is one of the designs. And here are some wooden and marble, as well as some fabric designs. Here are some flooring designs in PVC films. We could take one as a look. Here we see we have a lot of designs in PVC films, so there are more choice for our customer. The ice fire board is our new wood idea. It is our original design and the green environmental products, and we have integrated assembly solution for the ice fire board. It is perfectly substitution of wood, ceramic, and marble materials. And the ice fire board has a lot of functions, like it is a A-level fire protection material, and it is antibacterial and waterproof. Okay, please follow me to look at our production department. Okay, let us have a look at our design center. Here is a design of our digital series. It is continuous and it could be joined into a whole design. Okay. Let's go have a look at more designs. These are also our digital designs. These 5 boards. Okay, let's have a look at our material stock. We have all kinds of wood designs and other, like marble, like fabric designs we buy from worldwide. Okay, here is a marble design. You can see there is a material. And this wood design is we buy from Europe. It is a handcraft board that we imported from Europe. And yeah. And this is a nature oak that we buy from foreign countries. There are a lot of vivid textures that we can get from this material and put the material into our own designs. Here is a piece of natural wood piece we import from Europe. You can see there are real textures on this wood skin, and our designers put this material onto the scan machines, which we imported from Germany. So here, these scan machines, we can get the 2D and 3D effects of the material that we find from our countries. Okay, here is a printing machine that we imported from Belgium. It is the most advanced printing machines in the world. It has the very exquisite color control, and we have five color printing here. We can see there are 5 colors: light black, yellow, red, blue, and black. We customize this machine from Belgium, and there are 60 printers on this machine, which can give a very vivid effect on printing papers. The texture of decorated paper mainly depends on the printing of the roller on the paper. The quality of the plate roller and the fineness of engraving determine the levelness of the pattern. DILONG's roller adopts electroplating and laser technology to accurately restore the texture of the design draft. At present, DILONG has more than 6,000 sets of plate roller. Each set of the plate roller is composed by the 3-to-4 roller, and the about 150 and 200 sets of rollers are developed every year according to global fashion trends. Over the past 20 years, DILONG has become the world's leading decorated paper company with a lot of number of rollers and designs. DILONG's second production department is an independent foreign trade department, and it is dedicated in foreign trade, and all its products are sold to foreign regions like Middle East, Southern Asia, etc. In order to meet a different product need of various countries, the decorated paper products of second production department will also have a difference in product size and color. At present, the second department has 9 production lines, and the annual sale value accounts for a quarter of the company overall sales of the paper. We have some brand customers like Formica, Malino, and Agar. And in order to improve our product quality, we will continue to update our decorated paper production equipment within 5 years to achieve more stable production efficiency and better to serve our customer. The production department of Fancy Series is an independent production department. It has 4 sets of newest Shanxi Beirun production machines and automated production control system, and the machines has a high-speed production speed, which is 300 meters per minute. The Fancy Series has achieved stable production quality by using Hartmann ink and Kindecker paper. And our designs of Fancy Series is selected from Germany, Japan, Italy, and the United States. And we produce the paper of Fancy Series by DILONG's advanced production technology and equipment to bring our customer a high quality and cost-effective products. In order to better serve our customer with more comprehensive services, DILONG firstly developed a series of impregnated paper products in 2003. The impregnated paper will be impregnated twice from both front and back side of the decorated paper, and we will slice it into a semi-solid brittle melamine tape, and our decorated paper could achieve various customized functions like antibacterial, mold-proof, and other products like anti-smoke table, etc. The PVC film is mainly used for the surface decoration of SPC flooring and furniture decoration. At present, there are 5 PVC production lines in our headquarters, with an annual output of more than 2 million square meters, and it is also the top 5 manufacturers in domestic color film industry. As one of the materials that reflect the color style, DILONG PVC color film has more than 5,000 kinds of colors to choose from. Actually, 5,000 kinds of designs. The raw material is used different types of plastic particles, which are of great significance to protect the forest resources. PVC color film products do not contain harmful ingredients such as some harmful chemicals, and the high-quality flooring produced by online composting and pressing techniques has been widely used and welcomed in foreign markets. Now we can see in our base paper stock, there are a lot of base paper from Kindecker. So in DILONG, our base paper are purchased from Kindecker. Kindecker is a Sino-German base paper company whose products is basically representing the German paper-making technology. So in our viewpoint, only with the high-quality base paper and a stable performance can let us produce a high-quality decorated paper. The base paper and other raw materials have strict inspection, the quality control when the materials are entering our factory. That role is a very important part for DILONG's quality control. And every year we sell nearly 30,000 tons of decorated paper to worldwide. In order to achieve the stability of the product, we have sufficient sources to ensure that products are delivered to customer faster.